Hello everyone! Hello kids! Good morning mommies and daddies! How are you today? I hope you're okay. Teacher Lens here and I'm so glad that you're here on our Day 10 online reading tutorials for children. So if you have any topic or ideas, just share with me on your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reading videos. Are you ready kids? Okay. Lessons for today, read words with vowel A sound and practice the letter sounds learned. Okay, now so I want you to give their letter names and their sounds. Ready? Letter names and then the sounds. A, A. B, B. T, T. M, M. C, K. E, E. G, G. P, P. S, S. D, D. Alright, so now it's your turn. Ready? Just give the letter names and then the sound. Just follow this beat. Ready? Alright, good job, very good. Okay, now let's do this activity. Read a short vowel sound that ends in AT or at. Okay, so read with me. Sound it first, follow this pointer. Ready? B, at, bat. K, at, cat. P, at, pat. S, at, sat. F, at, fat. M, at, mat. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Follow this pointer, sound it first. Ready? Begin! Very good! You're great! Okay, next. Read a short vowel A sound that ends in AD or add. Okay, so read with me. Let's follow this pointer and sound it first. Ready? B, add, bad. M, add, mad. P, add, pad. S, add, sad. T, add, tad. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Alright, good job. Okay, let's read this short vowel A sounds. Let's read it twice. Okay, ready? Let's follow this pointer. Bat, bat. Mat, mat. Cat, cat. Sat, sat. Pat, pat. Fat, fat. Okay, it's your turn. Ready? Follow this pointer. Read it twice. Begin. Okay, next, number 2. Read with me. Begin. Mad, mad. Bad, bad. Tad, tad. Pad, pad. Sad, sad. Fad, fad. Okay, it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Begin. Alright, next, number 3. Let's read first. Read with me. Tag, tag. Bag, bag. Sag, sag. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Begin. Okay, next, number 4. Ready? Map, map. Tap, tap. Gap, gap. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Alright, very good. Good job. Okay, so this is it for now. Lessons tomorrow. So goodbye guys. See you tomorrow. God bless you.